Hi, I'm Shanae Mostert, qualified red seal electrician working at Mynofix Elandsfontein Crops. I'm a woman, but I also looked for something challenging, so I decided to do electrical and maybe one day in instrumentation as well. Being a woman in mining, it's some days challenging, but to ensure you have a good time, make sure you are yourself. I actually saw that men also support women who are in mining, and you can have the relationships you need to grow in your work. So, the most part interesting about my job as an electrician is the fact that it's always unexpected. You never know what you will come and find on site. And that is very interesting every single morning. You get out of bed, you do your prayer, and you know the Lord will come and guide you. Mingling with a lot of people, different artisans, different jobs, different people, and also different styles of how you can approach something. So to be the best, always give your best. Challenge yourself every single day. That's the way I look at it. I challenge myself every day. Go and look for the hardest work you can and go and join that team. You can only gain if you are there on the job. So go and join in. Ask questions. There's never a silly question. Ask the questions, do the job, and then you will know you actually had a good day at work. And at Crops Elandsfontein, people actually get the ability to grow. And that's where I see Crops going, just going big in the future with people by their side.